everybody! So for today's video, I have a very quick and easy how-to on creating this bright and yellow eyeshadow look that I have going on right here. So if you would like to see just that, just keep watching.
So I'm starting off with a blending brush, and I'm going in with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and with the shade Orange Soda, I am just blending that into my crease. I'm starting off with like a really light and soft orange to blend into the yellow, just so that it has something to blend up into the brow bone. And now slowly transitioning into a yellow. Again, I am not using a yellow quite yet, more of like a mustard color yellow with the Subculture palette from Anastasia, and it is in the shade New Wave. And I'm just packing that onto the lid to create a really nice full and vibrant color all over the lid with a really dense flat brush. And you're going to realize to really get the color that you're wanting to see, you're going to have to go in quite a bit to really put that color onto the lid. You can even use a setting spray if the color that you're using is not really pigmented enough. You can take a setting spray, spray it on the brush or on the actual color that you're using, and then place it onto the lid, and that'll really help to add some vibrancy as well. And then after you've packed on that color, I'm just going back in with a blending brush with no extra product, and just blending in the crease just to make sure that where you packed on the color, it's not too harsh. Now with a separate flat brush, I'm going in with my Smashbox Bold Eye palette. It's their Cover Shot palettes, and this is the color Bolt. I'm just packing that on top of the lid. Now is the time where we're really using a vibrant yellow. I mean, Bolt is like a yellow as yellow can be yellow, and you're just packing that onto the lid so that you can really start to see the color. And I think that the yellow mixed in with the orange kind of creates a really nice dimension on the eye rather than just one solid flat yellow. But if you wanted to, if you just wanted yellow all over the lid, you could choose to just do all yellow tones on the eye as well. You can play around with it and see what you like. And what goes up must come down, so I'm just taking that little flat smudge brush again, and I am pulling the color New Wave and then also a bit of Bolt onto the lower lash line. To make sure that the eye doesn't look too flat, I'm just going in with a small fluffy crease brush, and back into the Subculture palette, I'm using the color Edge and just placing that into the outer corner just so that it gives my eye even more shape. And now to add a bit more brightness and to open up the eyes even more, I'm going in with the Sephora Collection Colorful Shadow and Liner Pencil, and this is just in the shade White. If you've never tried these things before, they are amazing. Full of pigment, easy to put on, I love them. And then lastly, just to add a nice fluttery lash, I'm going in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm curling them prior to and then just placing those all over the lashes. I'm obsessed with this mascara. I've said it once, I'll say it again. Everybody needs it. It is amazing. Love the formula and love the wand. Now I'm just using my finger just to put some inner highlight on, and I'm going to do my hair and we'll be good to go.
Alright guys, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this little short how-to on this eyeshadow look. I was just getting ready today and decided to kind of throw the camera up and film a video because why not? Especially because I was really in the mood to create a nice bright and sunny yellow look, and I think that everybody can kind of do with a little bright and sunniness in their lives every once in a while, or at least in their makeup lives. So if you liked what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up down below, and if you want to see more videos when I release them, you can get a notification by clicking that little bell icon. And if you really liked what you saw today, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye. What?